Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download games from Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, launch your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, you'll be ready to find and download your games. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the game you're looking for. This search function makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you want without having to browse through countless categories manually. After entering your search term, Steam will display a list of results matching what you typed. Take a moment to browse through these results and find the specific game you want to download. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to open the game's dedicated store page. On the games page, you'll see all the details about it, including screenshots, descriptions, and system requirements. Scroll down through this page until you locate the Play Game button. This is the button that will initiate the download and installation process for your chosen game, so click on it when you're ready to proceed. A new window will pop up asking you to select the installation location for your game. This is where you choose which drive or folder on your computer you want the game files to be stored in. This is particularly useful if you have multiple drives or want to manage your storage space efficiently. After selecting your preferred location, click the Install button to begin downloading the game. At this point, Steam will start downloading the game files to your computer. The time this takes will depend on the size of the game and your internet connection speed, so you might need to wait a few minutes or even longer for larger games. Once the download completes, the game will be ready to play directly from your Steam library. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a game from Steam and it's now ready to launch whenever you want. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.